Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to create Discord account on iPhone. So first go to Discord app, tap register. If you want to create account with your phone number, simply type your phone number here. And if you want to create account with email, then go to email and type your email. So I'm going to create my account with my email. So type your email here. To type my email, now tap next, and you have to create your display name. So I'm going to tap a random name, which is Barbie Lover, and then tap next. Now set your password. Set your password here, and then tap next, and now set your date of birth here, and then tap create an account. So this is how you can create a Discord account on iPhone. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.